Previously, I have unboxed 2 packs of this Dimoo Mickey and Friends Pop Beans. This is my first attempt to get the secret design. No, it's not a secret. No, it's not a secret. This is my last chance to get the secret special edition design. No, it's not a secret. This is my second attempt. I really want the secret design. Seriously, this is so disappointing. I hope this is not a duplicated design.
Oh my god.
I have a bad feeling. So, I bought the whole box. I really want to get the secret design, and also the Chip and Dale Dimoo. The designs are Dale, Chip, Lucky Star, Goofy, Pluto, Daisy, Donald Duck, Louie Duck, Huey Duck, Dewey Duck, Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, Mickey TV, Scrooge, Mickey Steamboat Willie. In every full tray complete set stands a chance to get the secret special edition design. There are 10 packs in a full tray complete set. Unboxing the first pack. Disney Mickey and Friends. Pop Mart. Pop Bean. These are the designs in this series. I hope to get the secret design, and also the Chip and Dale design. You can scan the QR code to verify the authenticity. In every pack, there are 3 mini packs. Let's unbox the first mini pack. I am so lucky.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
I get the secret design Goofy. Secret Goofy has metallic finishing while the rest of the figurines are matte finishing. Unboxing second mini pack. It's Mickey TV. Unboxing third mini pack. It's Huey Duck. Here's the first pack design combination. Unboxing the second pack. I hope to get the remaining secret design, and also the Chip and Dale design. Let's unbox the first mini pack. Oh no, this is my third Daisy. I hope this second mini pack will not be a duplicated design. It's my third Mickey Steamboat Willie. Comment below, Mickey Steamboat Willie, you may receive this duplicated design. Will the third mini pack be a duplicated design again? This is so disappointing. Unboxing the third pack. I hope it's not a duplicated design again. This is ridiculous. It's my fourth Mickey Steamboat Willie. I hope it's not a duplicated design again. Comment below, Daisy Duck, you may receive this duplicated design. I hope this third mini pack is not a duplicated design. Unboxing the fourth pack. I hope it's not a duplicated design. This is my second Huey Duck. I hope this second mini pack will not be a duplicated design. This is my second Mickey TV. Will the third mini pack be a duplicated design again? Thank God this is not the same design. It's Goofy. He is so cute. This is the fourth pack design combination. Regular Goofy is 1 in every 15 pieces. If you are lucky, you will get this Goofy secret design 1 in every 30 pieces. Good luck. I hope you get the secret figurine. Unboxing the fifth pack. Will this pack have the Chip and Dale design, or the remaining secret designs? Let's unbox the first mini pack. It's Louie Duck. Unboxing second mini pack. It's Pluto. Pluto is like little puppy on Dimoo's head. It's so adorable. This is my favorite. I hope this third mini pack is not a duplicated design. It's Mickey Mouse. This is the fifth pack design combination. Unboxing the sixth pack. Please let it be Chip and Dale, or the secret design. I hope it's not a duplicated design again. Yes, it's Chip. I hope to get Dale in the next pack. Unboxing second mini pack. It's Minnie Mouse. Unboxing third mini pack. It's Donald Duck. This is the sixth pack design combination. Unboxing the seventh pack. Now that I get Chip, I hope this pack has Dale. I need Chip and Dale to complete my collection. Let's unbox the first mini pack. This is my second Louie Duck. I hope it's not a duplicated design again. This is my second Mickey Mouse. Even though Pluto puppy design is my favorite, but I don't need two of them. Unboxing the eighth pack. Now that I get Chip, I hope this pack has Dale. Another duplicated design. Unboxing second mini pack. I want Dale, not two Chip design. This is my last two chances to get the secret, or Dale design. I need Dale to complete my collection. It's Lucky Star. I have no idea who is Lucky Star in Mickey and Friends. Please leave in the comment if you know who is Lucky Star. Please remember to smash the like, subscribe, and activate the notification bell to be among the first to watch our video. I hope it's not a duplicated design again. Oh yes, I finally get Dale. Now, Chip and Dale completes my collection. This is the ninth pack design combination. This is my last chance to get the remaining secret design. I hope this second mini pack will not be a duplicated design. My last chance to get the secret figurine.
Oh my god.
Here's the other two secret designs. Good luck. I hope you get it.